Exercise 3.6. First question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. Check their relationship. The first one is 15 and 24. Let's find out the LCM here. Now for this 15, 24, we are going to take 3 common here. It goes with 5 and 8. So LCM will be the divisors into reminders. So 3 into 5 into 8. So that will be 15 into 8, 120. And HCF, we take the common factor here. So that is 3 here. So let's check the relationship. Is it true like product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of the given numbers? So LCM into HCF, when you are going to see, that is 120 into 3. And product of two numbers. Product of two numbers, that is 15 into 24. We are going to see. So 120 into 3, we get here 360, and 15 into 24, we get 360. So we got the same answer. So we can say that the product of their numbers is equal to the product of the LCM and HCF. Next 8, 25. So when you are going to see LCM of 8 and 25, there is no common factor here other than 1. So just 1, when you are going to write, you get the 8 and 25 only. So LCM will be the product of this numbers, that will be 8 into 25, that is 200, and HCF will be only 1. So number 1 is HCF here. So when you are going to multiply HCF into LCM, that is equal to the product of two numbers. So LCM is 200 into 1, and product of two numbers, that is 8 into 25. So 200 is equal to 200. So both the values are same. We can say that the relationship is true. So next 12 and 48. So here we take the LCM of 12 and 48. So directly it goes with 12, 1 here and 4 here. And LCM is equal to the divisors into reminders, that is 12 into 4, that is equal to 48. And HCF is 12 here. So now LCM into HCF, when you are going to do, that is 48 into 12. And the product of two numbers, that is equal to 48 into 12. So we get 48 into 12, that is 576, and here also 576. So both the we got the same value, and we can say that the relationship is true here. Second question, if the LCM of the two numbers is 216 and the product is 7776, what will be its HCF? And so we know that the relationship between LCM and HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers. So this is the product of numbers. So in the question they have given the LCM, so that is 216, and we are going to find out the HCF here, and the product of two numbers is also given here, that is 77776. So by cross multiplication here, we just find the HCF here, so that HCF is equal to 776 by 216, so that will be equal to 36 here. So 36 is the HCF for the above question here. Third question, the product of two numbers is 3276. If their HCF is 6, find their LCM. So we know that LCM into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. So in the question they are given the HCF, that is 6. We are going to find out the LCM into 6, that is equal to product of two numbers also given, that is 3276, and LCM is equal to 3276 by 6, so that will be 546 here. Fourth question, the HCF of two numbers is 6 and their LCM is 36. If one of the numbers is 12, find the other. So we know the relationship LCM into HCF is product of two numbers. So in the question they are given the HCF, so that is 6 here, and LCM they are given, that is 36 here, and 36 into 6 the product of two numbers. So in the two numbers the one number is 12 here, so the other number will be x, suppose. So one number is 12, the other number is x, and we are going to find out the other number here. So x is equal to 36 into 6 by 12, so that will be equal to 6 1 here, 2 here, 2 1 here, 18. So x will be 18 here.